bench for the Lady Blazers. Ito na, set number 1 is here. Again, if you guys just tuned in, if you missed out on our pregame, this is the battle for the number 1 spot. 13-2, Letran Lady Knights. 12-2, Benilde Lady Blazers.
At pares wala pang talo for the second round ng NCAA eliminations tong pares sa teams na to, Martin.
That's right. 7-game winning streak in total for the Letran Lady Knights. 5-game winning streak on the other hand for the Lady Blazers. We'll begin with a drop ball from one of our leading scorers in the season. Number 5 in scoring, Judel Nitura.
One of the main gunners para sa Letran Lady Knights. Kitang-kita natin how smart she is. Alam naman natin yan kung gaano siya katalino. All throughout the season, pinapakita niya na. But this time, she needs to step up more para sa Letran at para kay Coach O.
That's right. She slowed down in the last few games for Letran. Pero naibalik na yan in their last 2 contests. Pero ito, Rhea Dinsing, this is the reason why she is in the starting lineup.
Tama dyan. She's a high flyer, good contact pagdating sa spiking. Attack niya kanina pa eh. Last game niya with San Beda, very effective. She knows where to put the ball exactly. At kikita niya kung nasan yung depensa.
That's right. Oh, is this gonna be an attack error? Yeah, no check. So, Benilde gets the point. Oh,
wait. I think, akala nila may check ball, no?
Si Nitura, ready na mag-serve.
Yeah. But the first referee pointed sa side ng Lady Blazers.
Okay, so officially, binawi itawag. Puntos to para kay Nitura. So she has scored her first 2 points, although she commits the service error.
Yan, medyo nagmadali si Nitura that time.
2-2 again. First round meeting, you saw the result. Straight sets win for the Letran Lady Knights. Kahit dikit lahat, pero para talunin mo yung 3-time champion, yung 3-peat champs natin, ang laking bagay nun.
Tsaka, although natalo kayo sa finals last season, sa same na kaparehas na kalaban nyo ngayong araw na to, iba pa rin yung kumpiyansa, knowing na natalo sila in straight sets.
That's right.
Pero bawal kang maging sobrang kumpiyansa dahil kilala mo at alam mo kakayahan ng Lady Blazers.
Yeah. They have that championship DNA. Itong Benilde, Yen Martin, who started today. Makilang comes off the bench. Mamaya-maya makikita natin si Gia Makilang. That's a good serve. Here's the setup for Dinsing. Denied by Vanessa Sari.
Wow, Sari. Wait lang, Martin. Sari, mga kapuso, siya po ang may hawak ng record ngayon sa NCAA for most points in a game. 37, last game po niya yung produce. At ngayon, first point po niya is coming from a kill block. It's a good sign.
37-point outing for Vanessa Sari against Arellano in a 5-set win. Put down right away coming from Rhea Dinsing. And now let's go courtside for the first time. Nandito ang report ni MG Palagay.
Martin and Anjo, the Lady Knights try to meet it in their preparation for today's game. They have a reminder on their whiteboard saying weak character, no championship. But according to Coach O, he would just guide them in doing what's right, what's good, and what's needed the most in their gameplay. But definitely strong character creates a champion. Malayo-layo pa, but today they will play with more strength and resilience. On the flip side, for the Lazy Blazers, they will play against the team on the top standings with the mindset that diamonds are made under pressure. That's why head coach Onyok motivated them to stay sharp, composed, driven, and most importantly, to be confident. It's going to be an intense match today full of determined athletes and a whole lot of heart on both sides. We'll see more of that as I turn it back to you, Martin and Anjo.
Thanks, MG. It's going to be a battle for sure. Battle of character and resilience in this match. You know, it's going to be much different from their first round encounter. Dahil dito, Anjo, second round na tayo as we see Sari score her second point of the match.
Tama, ang ganda rin ng report ni MG. No? It's all about character. Tama ka dyan, Marts. Kasi alam nyo ng parehas kayo magaling eh. Halos dikit kayo sa halos ng stats. Halos lahat ng top players nasa parehas sa teams. It's all about character, attitude in the game, and consistency.
Yeah. And there's a big possibility that this is a finals preview already. So, an early preview. if these two teams make it to the final round. Zam Nolasco, that's rare.
Yeah.
She doesn't make a lot of mistakes with her attacks, but that time she sends it out.
Napasobra ng lihes si Zam that time. Alam mo, may moniker na kami kay Zip Zap Zam.
Zam.
Ginawa ni Anton yun. Zip Zap Zam.
Zip Zap Zam.
Yeah.
Sige, papracticing ko. Nolasco,
Ayan na.
pinabawi agad ni Basarte.
Ang bilis ng bawi ni Zam. Alam mo, yung masarap sa pakiramdam. Pag nagka-error ka, at alam ng setter mo na kaya mong pumatay, tapos instant bawi, man, you redeem yourself that quick. Masarap sa pakiramdam. Yung confidence, bumalik na agad sa'yo.
That's right. That's a mark of a good setter. Shanae Basarte giving the confidence back to Zam. Basarte, by the way, is our #1 setter in the league. And Zam Nolasco is Benild's leading scorer. And this is going to be an ace.
Half of the winner, Lasses with a service ace. We all know that she can contribute in every skill department na meron po sa laro ng volleyball. And pinakita niya kanina kung gaano kabigat ang kanyang service. Service ace.
One half of the Lieses twins. Ito si Ash Lieses. Sari with a good pass. Balik sa kanya. Denied. Now she's checked at the net.
Now it's a tight ball game. Ang ganda nung timing ng blockers ng Lady Blazers. Zam Nolasco closing that cross-court angle. Go way out para kay Sari.
And after a 37-point match, Anjo, explikin mo na yan na ikaw talaga yung mamarkahan ng kalaban mo.
Bro, 37, imagine.
Yeah.
More than a set.
That's right. She surpassed the record held by
Gretchen Soltones.
Year, season 90, and last year si Angel Hapacon also had 36 points. So 4th point of the match for Zam Nolasco, and this will bring us to our first break.
Kilalang-kilala ngayon si Carlos Yulo sa kanyang double gold sa Paris. Pero alam nyo ba na mayroon nang naunang Carlos na naglaro sa Olympics na tubong NCAA? Siya'y walang iba kundi si Carlos Caloy Loizaga na nagpa-champion sa San Beda Red Lions ng 3 beses noong 1950s. Lumahok si Loizaga ng 2 beses sa Olympics, pati na rin sa Asian Games, FIBA Asia at FIBA World Championships kung saan
4 unanswered points now for the Benilde Lady Blazers. Ito yung pinanggalingan, a grueling 5-setter against Arellano. But again, it was Letran avoiding a reverse sweep and prevailing against the Lady Chiefs.
Tama ka dyan, Anton. Looking at the stats, very evident na sobrang lakas ng attacking prowess ng Letran Lady Knights. 80 in comparison sa 56 ng Arellano. Kahit marami sila na-produce na error, no, unforced errors, bawing-bawi nila pagdating sa attacking department nila. Kahit ano pa yan. Kayang bawian ni Sari. Sari, 37 points.
35 of the 80 attack points nitong Lady Knights nang galing kay Vanessa Sari. Zam Nolasco! Yep.
Zam Nolasco, the brilliance, towering over her blocker. Still no answer para sa depensa, para sa Letran Lady Knights. Last game, San Beda, napanood ko, hindi siya madepensahan.
Bihira madepensahan to si Zam Nolasco. Again, she sees and reads the defense well bago siya umatake. Sari.
Another block.
This is a back row attack coming from Nitura. Binuhay. Tinawid ni Densing. Estrelier running attack for De La Cruz. Is too strong.
Yeah, miss hit para kay De La Cruz that time. That went out. Yung palm niya nasa ilalim.
So, 6-0 run for the Lady Blazers. Kaya napatime out si Coach O.
Pagkakataon ka na magbigay kasi tumakbo na eh. Out of system, walang tsansa. Tapos bigla nag-iwan sa kanya. May pagkakataon ka, may magandang receive. Hindi tayo pwede manghula kung kailan tayo pupuntos. Kailangan sa atin magsisimula yung detalye. Sa atin we have to be intentional. Hindi pwede chamba. Go, 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 go! Kailangan intentional. Na out of system ka, ano ko ibigay mo? May mangyayari pa.
Okay. How would you interpret that, Anjo? Itong sinabi ni Coach O. Kasi marami siyang ano doon, mga strong phrases na sinabi dun sa timeout na yun to address the situation.
For sure, inaral nila kada play nila. Kaya ito si Coach O, gusto niyang sundin kung ano may practice nila bago pa itong game na to. So for sure, may hindi nasunod sa sistema. Kaya sinasabi niya, huwag tayong manghula. Let's stick to the system.
Ito. They respond well after the timeout.
Gandang timeout.
Through the block that time.
Sharp cross-court attack. This time para kay Sari kasi kanina pa na-check ni Nolasco yung long cross-court attack niya.
So, that breaks the 6-0 run of the Lady Blazers. 1-2 play para kay Basarte.
Basarte, very smart. She knows when to drop. She knows when to set. Saka ito yung hirap ngayon kasi si Nolasco sobrang gumagana ngayon. So bantay na bantay yung blockers pati yung depensa ngayon ng Letran Lady Knights. So mas maraming options si Basarte. Pwede niyang i-drop ball anytime.
That's right. Kanina pa activated itong si Nolasco. Mike Cago. Lara Silva brings it to Sari. Lieses with a save. Ball is in transition. This is a chance for the Lady Knights. Sari again off the block. Yes is making an effort, but nobody got the second ball. So Sari gets another point.
Puntos this time para kay Sari. Too powerful para sa depensa at sa blocks ng Lady Blazers. Na-check nila kanina, naangat nila yung mga block rebounds na malalayo. But this time it was too powerful. No wonder. Galing po yung spike ngayon kay Sari.
Kalahati ng puntos ng Letran ang galing kay Vanessa Sari so far. Here she is coming from the service line. High risk, high reward on that jump serve. That time it did not pay off.
Missed time din sa approach niya for that jump serve.
So a 4-point lead for the Lady Blazers after trailing by 2 earlier, 6-4. Estrelier, they go to Martin this time, who is now at the open spot. Densing down the line for Rhea Densing.
Pansin ko lang, Mars, kapag may mga ganong puntos, may mga play na break ball, tinitingnan lagi ng depensa ng Letran Lady Knights si Mike Cago. But then again, may Aya Densing pa sa harap na alam nating high flyer. She knows how to spike and a very smart player as well.
That's right. Now things are opening up for the wing attackers of Benil. This is kept alive, pero miscommunication doon sa mga manlalaro ng Letran. 6-point advantage now for Benil.
Kailangan na ng sagot ng Letran Lady Knights. Sumulobo na yung kalamangan. 6 points, medyo mahirap na habulin to.
Basarte. Oh, that's a good serve. And it results to an ace for Chinny Basarte.
Substitution para kay Coach Oliver. That was a good serve galing kay Basarte.
That's right. Ito. Doble palit para kay Coach O. Colendra and Tumaya both coming in. Lalabas muna si Estrelier at si Judel Netura. Mabilis na palitan ng tao para kay Coach O kasi lumobo na tong abante ng Benilde. Yen Martin is roofed. Sari. Go! Puts it down.
Good adjustment para kay Mike Cago. Mike Cago, parang sibat yung set, but then again, lumobo. Good adjustment. Adjusted mid-air. Puntos para kay Mike Cago.
And Benilde doubles up on Letran.
Ang unang pumapasok sa isipan pag NCAA ang napag-uusapan ay basketball. Pero kahit sa ibang larangan ng palakasan, lalaban pa rin ang NCAA. Tignan nyo ang tubong mapuwa na si chess grandmaster Eugene Torre na isa na ang Hall of Famer. Ang taga-College of St. Benilde na season 92 men's volleyball champion at MVP na si John Vic de Guzman na nakapagkamit ng silver.
Balik sa ating laban, straight sets win for Benilde over San Beda. This was quick work for the defending champions.
Tama ka dyan, Martin. And 4 players contributed double-digit points para sa CSB Lady Blazers that game. And kita-kita natin yung brilliance ni Basarte. Alam niya at sobrang kumpiyansa sa spikers niya kung sinong mainit, ibibigay niya hanggat hindi nabablock.
Such a potent Benilde team. Now they are dominating the opening set.
Estoque and Katarig still.
Yeah.
No playing
Wala
time.
pa. Oh, this is another good serve from Jenay Basarte.
Wow, that timeout didn't work para sa side ni Coach Oliver. Hindi na break yung ice.
This is a statement. Ito, nalaglag pa nga yung bola.
Oo.
Yung pala, nagre-ready lang siya. Pang-ace.
Tama, technique.
13-2 run for Benilde.
Wow.
Ayadensing! Long ball!
Dagdagan natin yung 14-2 run in favor of the CSB Lady Blazers. Ayadensing proving that she's worthy of the spot. Grabe yung bench ng CSB Lady Blazers. Imagine, first round meeting ng halos lahat eliminations, Ayadensing limited time, but now, oh my gosh.
They have so many weapons. And finally, a point for Letran. Royce De La Cruz connects.
Ending that long run para sa CSB Lady Blazers. They need more of that. They need more proper execution. They need to, somehow cut that momentum na meron yung CSB Lady Blazers ngayon kasi madadala nila yan sa mga darating na sets.
That's right. Densing mula naman sa gitna. Colendra, powerful hitter. A little too much though, pero may check daw.
Yeah, sabi natin first referee, it was a check ball. Right off the bench.
Ayan. So this will be challenged. I think this is the second time na nagkaroon ng confusion din sa check.
Actually, first set, no?
So, block touch. First challenge of the day.
May inaasahan natin marami-rami to.
Salamat po sa inyong panonood. Worth it naman yung pagising nyo. 11:20. Hindi naman masyadong maaga.
Hindi naman. Tsaka,
11 pa na. Mas maaga pa rin nagising si Anjo sa inyo.
Bro, imagine mo, kasabay mo sa tanghalian tong gantong laro.
Tama.
Hindi mo mauubos yung kung namang ulam sa tinola. Kahit gaano kasarap yan. Mapapahinto ka sa pagsubo.
Kaya maganda 11 tayo nag-start.
Tama.
Kasi 2 oras kayo magla-lunch. Diba? Mauubos yung pagkain ninyo. Okay. Pero thank you. We are live right now on Heart of Asia, NCAA Philippines, and GMA Sports PH. Okay, una pa lang po ito ng dalawang laban natin ngayong araw na ito. Mamaya, EC versus Arellano. Was there a touch? Was there a touch?
Oh.
Ooh!
Wait.
No.
Yeah,
Di gumalaw.
successful challenge para kay Coach Jerry Lee at sa Lady Blazers. Wow, good eyes.
Yeah. So, a point for Benilde. It's now 19-9. Wewe Estoque,
Ito na.
who used to be the leading scorer of Benilde before Nolasco had a solid string of games, checks in for the first time.
Bro,
Diba?
off the bench, may Katari ka pa dun.
That's right.
Grabe.
Hindi pa tapos mag-unload si Coach Onyok at Coach Jerry. Basarte going to the middle this time.
Oh!
Christy Ondangan scores.
Ito nakausap namin sila last time. Oh yeah, it was a bad landing. But Ondangan and Nolasco, hindi sila humihingi ng quick sets. Matataas sa gitna kasi sabi nila mas effective kaysa yung mas mabilis na sets.
Because dahil ba may height advantage sila
Yun,
against
yun
most
ang
of the
meron
middle
sila.
blockers nila, no?
Yeah, that's so true, Marks. Ang haba nila, especially Nolasco, towering over her blockers all the time.
So afford nila yung mga matataas na set. Colendra committing the attack error. It's unraveling right now for Letran. 21-9. This is a statement opening set for Benilde.
Oo, kasi I myself was expecting na it's gonna be so close.
I think everybody did, lalo
Oo.
sa perform ng dalawang teams na to. Oh!
Oh, good dig by Silva.
Oh! Napal, bumalik, Martin. One of the longest rallies we've had so far. This is a chance for the Lady Knights. Yen Martin scores!
Wow! That's what Letran is. Ito yung character nila eh. We know Letran Lady Knights can do so much more of that, but they need more of that. Masalo ko po naghahabol sila. Medyo ibabawan sila ng mga errors na parang kinakain sila eh.
I wonder why Gia Makilang hasn't been utilized yet.
Same question.
Diba?
Yeah.
Tignan natin mamaya kung gagamitin siya ni Coach O. Pero ito, Yen Martin with a rejection.
Wow! Good momentum this time para sa Letran Lady Knights. 1 of the spike. And now, one from the block. They need more of that. Dali na lang nila sa second set yung ganitong momentum, tapos bawi sila.
Yeah. That's all they can do if they don't climb back out of this 10-point hole. Ooh, soft touch from Ondangan.
Very smart play from Ondangan. The Letran Lady Blazers knows na malakas mag-spike si Ondangan, expecting a hard spike from her, but this time a very smart drop ball sa likod ng kanyang blocker. Easy po para kay Ondangan.
Signs of maturity in attacking for Christie.
It's not always about power.
Yeah. Tumayao choosing Martin again. Cross-court this time for Ian Martin.
Martin finding her groove. Wow.
So ito na.
It's a good sign.
Again, she had 19 points against Benilde in the first round. So,
hindi naman nakakagulat kasi alam naman natin kung anong kayang i-produce ng isang Martin.
So now she'll be coming from the service area. Down by 10. Pasarte, combination. Nandun si Silva, may tumama sa net.
Crossing violation. Ayaw din si cross. Mula sa patong play na yun, galing kay Basarte. Ito yung mahirap sa Benilde. They have lots of plays na kailangang bantayan. At they have very dominant spikers. Masalo si Nolasco na hindi mo pwedeng bitawan.
Yan yung, ang daming weapon kasi nitong Benilde. And now, I think nakatulong sa kanila na meron tayong lengthened season yung may second round.
Tama.
Kasi this is a transition for Benilde because they have so many young players on this squad. So they needed to get them in the system, get their groove. Now, ito na sila. Nag-peak na, nag-gel na.
Tama, sobrang gel nila. Aswan sila kumilos.
23-13. Sari.
Uy, binalik sa gitna.
Silva brings it back to Vanessa.
Wow, what a dig by Mike Ago. Ito yung maganda kay Mike eh. She knows how to produce a point galing sa atake, pero she knows how to receive and how to dig excellently.
That was the biggest reason why she won MVP in season 97. As we see here, Zen Basilio, secondary center. She comes in for the first time. So, palitan ng playmaker. Gia Makilang. Ito na yung hinihintay natin.
Tama.
So, let's see if she can provide that spark off the bench.
Partner Silva sa beach volleyball.
Yeah. Champions again. Basilio, underhand pass. They go to Gia Makilang here. Right away, she scores.
Right off the bench, Gia Makilang proves na she needs to be inside that court.
She has been a much improved spiker. Kahit mas konti yung ini-score niya, nakita natin yung improvement niya pagdating sa power at saka sa talino.
Tsaka iba talaga yung beach volleyball players eh. Alam nila kung paano kontrolin yung mga atake nila.
That's right. Tumaya. Reset to.
That was too close.
Basilio Estoque. Sari was there. Letran on the attack. They go to Colendra this time. Popped up by Go. Dancing from behind. Makilang takes it. Sari stops, takes.
Medyo buka yung set for Sari.
Estoque, Napal.
Wow, good dig by Napal.
This is an excellent exchange for both teams. We'll see whose point it will be. It's Letran's point.
Check ball galing kay Sari. Lady Blazers blockers was there, but too strong para sa palong ni Sari.
That's the 5th point of Vanessa Sari. This is Ashley SS checking back in.
Dumikit, Martin.
Kanina, 10 ito. Ngayon, nag-chip away ang Letran. Nolasco. Sari.
Wow.
Good reflexes by Tumayaw. Colendra!
Wow! Letran on a run right now. Colendra is ending that. Pero ang pinakamaganda nakita natin doon, ang ganda nung floor defense na meron itong Letran Lady Knights, giving them that second option para sa isa pang play.
Look, nag-overthink ba tayo? Hindi. Kumilos lang tayo kung ano yung tama. Hindi mo naman pinwera sa yung sarili mo. Hinayaan mo lang kung ano yung gagawin. Ang importante lang, alam nyo yung gagawin ninyo. Hindi dapat nagsasalita lagi. Kung anong gagawin mo sa kanya, sabihin mo. Kung anong gusto mo sabihin mo. Hey! Performance!
Letran balling up a little bit of momentum in this stretch, Anjo.
6-1 run para sa Letran Lady Knights at sabi nga ni Coach Oliver, sobrang in-emphasize niya yung kahalagahan ng communication inside that court. Na lahat ng gagawin nyo, kailangan nyo sabihin sa kasama nyo sa loob ng court para maging maayos yung format natin.
17-23. Ito yung sinasabi natin na kailangan gawin ng Letran. Mag-create lang ng momentum going into the second set. But now, they still have a chance to come back. 1-2 play!
Oh!
Wow, nakatulong pa yung
Gandang sugal. Grabe.
Princess tumayaw.
Man, ang lakas sa loob mo to make a drop ball ng gantong naghahabol kayo tapos may magandang run. Oh my gosh.
Tsaka nag-drop ball siya. Tatlo yung tao na nasa kabila.
At malaki yung pinagdrapan niya, si Nolasco.
Yeah,
grabeng puso yan.
18-23. Basarte. Oh, Sam puts it down.
Yeah. Not this time para kay Sam Nolasco. Ending that run ng Letran Lady Knights. Very effective. Nakita natin, no, kapag kailangan naghahanap ng ender itong CSB Lady Blazers, hinahanap lagi si Nolasco. Kahit break ball, taas mo sa gitna, Nolasco.
6 set points for Benilde. Here's Coach O again.
No problem. Results are not always better than performance. Ang importante yung tamang gagawin. I don't need spectacular play. I just want you to do good. Kung ano mangyari, ang importante yung performance. Okay? Kung saan naabutin. Focus on the things that we have control. Now, pag nagkabalikan, ang nangyayari kasi sa mataas naman yung bola, pero hinahabol mo. Bola ka lang. Pag nagkabalikan,
It's all about the performance. That's what she says.
That's a classic line for Ocho. Pati yung hindi ko kailangan ng spectacular.
Kailangan ko good lang. You just need to be good. Do it properly, do it good. That's it.
Set point for Benilde. Good pass. Sari. Check.
Wow, another drop ball.
Ito. Crackdown by Gitigan. Buhay pa. Here's the pass for Colendra. Too much heat for Densing.
But that was a backline violation. Nakita no second referee natin na nag-step siya sa line. Yeah.
So,
challenge para sa Lady Blazers.
Umapak. Tingnan natin kung umapak si Colendra. Pero mukhang that's the case.
Yeah, actually I saw it.
Umapak talaga. So, if ever, this is gonna be the winning point for Benilde here in set number 1. Let's see. Pero nakakagulat na atake yun mula kay Colendra. Okay na daw. Okay, so Benilde gets it. Yeah. Benilde gets the point. And that's the end of set number 1.
CSB Lady Blazers setting the tone early for this match.
They win it comfortably, 25-18, fending off Letran in that late rally. So pagbalik po natin, highlights, numbers, and of course, the second set.